What happens when slime gets too cold? Let's test a similar object, a rubber band. Like slime, rubber bands are stretchy and made of polymers. And when you try to hold a rubber band from the bottom, it can't stand. But what happens when we freeze it? It's stiff. That's because cold temperatures slow down molecular movement, making the rubber stiff. The polymer chains that usually flex and stretch get locked in place. Now, let's check the slime. Whoa, it's very stiff. It doesn't stretch like before. Just like the rubber band, the cold made its polymer chains freeze up, making it hard and less flexible. And instead of stretching, it rips. What experiment should we try next?